Good afternoon from the Diecast Dungeon. We're doing the 57 Ford Man Construction Challenge today. And going to see if I can show you about maybe 10 pieces of construction equipment. So we're going to start out with what's in front of you there. It's a Greenlight Silverado pickup with a fifth wheel gooseneck trailer, and on the back of that is a backhoe. So this is an Ertl John Deere backhoe. It's articulated. It has a bucket that goes up and down and moves forward. Has the backhoe, which moves right to left, goes up and down, and the bucket moves on that. And it has the feet that it puts down to get a good footing so it can do its work. This is considered 1/64 scale, made by the Ertl Company. They make the bulk of the tractors and those kind of items that I have. So that's piece number one, John Deere backhoe. And I figured what a better place to put it than on the back of that Greenlight flatbed hauler. So there's the first piece, or pieces, however you want to look at it. All right, next we have a John Deere skid steer loader. It's a John Deere 675. This one's a wheel. It got the wheels instead of the tracks. Got a bucket. The bucket moves up and down like a real one does, and tips forward and back. This is also made by Ertl. Has the John Deere logos. It is in the industrial yellow. Pretty realistic. It's got the lights on it, the logos where they should be, etc. Pretty decent detail on these. So that's number two. Number three. I'm sure we all remember seeing these. This is a Hot Wheels. Says right on it, Hot Wheels Construction Company. This one's red. They also came in yellow. I think they came in other colors, but I'm not sure. It's a road grader. It's got the blade on it. Got the yellow 5-spokes. Obviously it has engine detail. Chrome, so it doesn't want to focus very good, but got a wing on the back for high-speed travel. That's number three. Here's the one in yellow. This one's got the teledial wheels on it. Same exact piece, just yellow. This one's all yellow. It's construction equipment. Okay, the next piece is a John Deere dump truck. This is a regular construction dump truck. Narrow cab. This one's got huge tires on it. Got the air cleaner there on the side. You can see that. It says John Deere. This one does not dump. But that's what it is. It's a dump truck. This is also made by Ertl. All right, here's the big version of that. Also a Deere. This one's made a little bit more realistic. It's a dumper. Has the dump bed works on this. This one breaks in the middle for steering, like they do. It's a pretty good sized piece. Got headlights. Got the air cleaner on it. Got the Deere logos. See these on construction sites or gravel quarries, or see them all over the place. Big truck. Let's see, that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be number 5. On that same vein, we have a John Deere wheel loader. This is a big one. This is also made by Ertl. This is made out of plastic and metal. Bucket goes up and down. It's got the hydraulic pumps on it. Pretty realistic action. This one also breaks in the middle for steering. Big piece of equipment. Got the safety lights on the back, exhaust and air cleaner. Got the cab, and I'm sure on these, like on the big John Deere tractors, they're air conditioned, heated, free from dust. Probably have a stereo in there to keep the driver entertained. John Deere wheel loader. All right, now we have a bucket truck. Power company, we'll consider that construction. Has an articulated arm with a bucket on the end of it. Guy gets in there and they raise it up and they do telephone pole or electric line maintenance with those. This is a matchbox. It says hard head on, and it says keep locked on all the toolboxes. Oh, upside down as the usual. There's the Matchbox logo. GMC bucket truck. 1999. So this is a pretty old one. Here's another bucket truck. This one's a 2-man bucket truck. This also is a Matchbox. Energy Incorporated, it says right on it. It's got the flashing yellow lights. Got the lights on the roof of the truck. The boom goes up and down. Orange and gray. Got good detail. Got diamond plate on the back of the work box. Matchbox. Got a couple more. Got a green wheel loader. It's a Matchbox. Got this from my buddy Mick 67. This one's green. It's got little brown speckles on it for dirt. It's got the logos on the back fenders. MB34 it says. Green and silver. Got the larger Matchbox wheels on it. This one's a Matchbox tractor shovel, number 29 or number 39, I guess it is. 1978 Matchbox. Pretty good shape for being something that's been around that long. Thank you, Mick. I think you all saw this in the video where I did the unboxing from Mick's Items the other day. Last piece I got. This is a street sweeper. It's also a Matchbox. Metro Disposal. Got the box on the front. Picks up all the dirt. Got the brushes, as you can see. The one on the bottom. Got the two on the sides. Matchbox logo. The bucket on this one works. Raises up and then dumps over, so you can dump it out, get all the dirt out of it, go pick up another load. Street sweeper. It's construction equipment. All right. Well, that was the construction challenge from 57 Ford Man. I think we managed to hold up our end of the bargain. So that's all I got for today. For you guys, thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you again later.